Today we are going to learn ordinal numbers. Let us count the number of animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So there are 10 animals. Counting numbers are also called cardinal numbers. Today we are learning ordinal numbers. Here we have ant, rat, hen, dog, monkey, lion, peacock, tiger, cheetah and elephant. These animals are in a line. And now the ant is in the first position. Rat is in the second position. Hen third. Dog fourth. Monkey fifth. Lion sixth. Peacock seventh. Tiger eighth. Cheetah ninth. And elephant 10th. So here ordinal numbers show the position or order of things. Here we have one side cardinal numbers. Next, ordinal numbers, that is in words, and short form of ordinal numbers. Now how do we write ordinal numbers? Number 1 position is first position. So what is the spelling of first? F-I-R-S-T, first. To write the ordinal number means in short form, that is we write number 1 and the last two letters at the top, ST, that is first. For second, number 2 and last two letters, that is of second, S-E-C-O-N-D, that is in words. Then number is write 2 and last two letter ND. It makes second. And for T-H-I-R-D, third, write number 3 and last two letters, that is R-D. So this is third. And fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H. It is in words. Now how to write the number? 4 and TH. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth, that is 5 and TH. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth and 6, number 6 and TH. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. Seventh, write 7 and TH. Now E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth. Now write number 8 and TH. N-I-N-T-H. Ninth and write number 9 and TH. T-E-N-T-H. Tenth and number 10 and TH. So this is the way we write the numbers, and that is ordinal number in words and in figures. Yes children, let us find out the positions of the letters in the given word. Here we have S-C-H-O-O-L, school. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there. Now the letter which is in green color, we have to find out the position of that letter. So O is in green color, O is in fourth position, at the fourth position. So here next we have B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. Here it has 6 letters. Among that, the one which is in green color, that is S. So what is the position of S or the place? We can say the place or position. So what is the place? First, second and third. So S is in third position. Next, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. So butterfly. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters are there. Among that, the one which is highlighted, it is in green color. That means U. So U is in which position? Second position. So this is how we find out the position or the place of the letters in a word. In a word. Now color the objects according to the positions. Here we have some figures. Now we have to color the fifth one. Let us count. Before coloring, we have to count them as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So we have to color the fifth one. So which is fifth one here? This is the fifth one. So I will color fifth object. Here, color the third one. We have the stars. Now, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So which is third here? Here. This is third. So this way we have to color the objects according to the given positions. Thank you.